Hi, I'm Norm. I'm the founder and CEO of Meta Digital. We're a Christchurch-based website design agency. We've been trading now for 20 years and have developed a lot of insights around website design and development over that time. So we design and build obviously our own website, and in addition we have hosting infrastructure, so we are also the host of the websites that we build, and we have a maintenance and security program on top of that to ensure that our websites don't get hacked, aren't vulnerable, and work the way that they should do. Principally, we work with a content management platform called WordPress. WordPress is great. It powers 50% of the internet, so it's well utilised and well used. In addition to that, we work with design tools, Photoshop, Figma, to create user experience design, and on top of that then SEO tools where we gain insights into what audiences are looking for, and we apply that then to the websites that we build. For us, the principal marketing tool that we rely on is our own website, which after all these years we've really tuned to respond well for the searches that we care about. But in addition to that, a key tool is actually reviews, and we're looking at Google My Business reviews and Facebook reviews as well. It's a really key criteria now that people use to get in touch with us. That's our main marketing suite. For us as a web agency, it's going to be our main, I guess, benchmark. Like, people will be judging our abilities based on how easy it is to find us, what our website's like, the user experience and the journey along the way. So our own website seems to be, I guess, evidence of our own capability. I think one of the most surprisingly useful tools that we ever went to was called a CRM, HubSpot. And so that allows us to track the inquiries, allows us to track all of the deals that are coming in. So what's interesting there is we're able to now see a target of what we need to hit in monthly sales, and we can track how close or far we are to hitting that target each month. Also be able to really stay abreast of our customers, our communications with them as a whole team, and seeing who are we not talking to that we need to be talking to more often. On top of that, we use project management tools such as Asana, Harvest for tracking our projects, and then, like all businesses almost in New Zealand, Xero for invoicing and accounts. We use Instagram and Facebook principally to tell our story about what's happening inside here as a business. So when something interesting happens, when we're doing an event or staff members have joined, or if we've launched a significant or interesting website, we find that we get the most engagement when it's about us and it's really authentic. I mean, it's significantly so. Like, if we try and do a marketing campaign, say here's a service or an offering that we have, you'll get a level of engagement, but what we find is if it's a story about us or our people, that is a much, much higher thing. So for us, social media is about being authentic and keeping it real. So look, I've found Digital Boost really helpful. Even as a seasoned digital expert, there's always things you can learn. There's always tips, tricks and insights, and I find that it's a really good platform to see what other people are using, what people recommend, and sometimes it's just about going back to basics and making sure that we're doing that and going through your checklists, making sure that we're doing all the things that we're meant to do to give our business the best chance to be found. Look, we were really excited to be invited by Digital Boost to become part of their panel of experts. So for us that means joining, I guess, a group of experts all around New Zealand who have insights and advice to offer small and medium businesses on how to get the best out of their digital marketing. So we get to offer our insights to small and medium businesses, where to start with their digital journey, what marketing tools to use, what's freely available is always useful as well. We'd rather advise people what can they do for themselves before they eventually come to us or any other web design agency and pay money for a solution. For us, it's really important that they're able to do all that they can themselves first,